Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Brazilian cream cheese. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place dry and salted ricotta. I'm gonna leave the ricotta recipe in the description as well as in the end of this video. Extra thick double cream. Sodium citrate, the quantity needs to be exactly this one. Cooking salt. If you use a salty dry ricotta, do not add salt, otherwise you'll get too salty. Water. And stir. If there are some lumps, you can mix all the ingredients in a bowl and put through a strainer before pouring into the saucepan. I'm gonna cook over medium-low heat, stirring all the time for about 25 minutes. When the mixture starts to boil, remove the saucepan from the heat every once in a while and stir all the time to check if it has reached the consistency. It cannot be too thick. When it's cooked, fridge until next day. In the next day, it's gonna look like a pudding. Beat with a spoon until to reach a creamy consistency. The recipe yielded 280 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of Brazilian cream cheese. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!